If you're a resident and you're going to go for citizenship, you wait the same amount of time. But there is one thing that the new law affects. If your spouse submits a letter, or your ex submits a letter that has anything negative at all about you, it will cause rejection of your citizenship application. So let's say you did the marriage thing and did the divorce thing, and she got her her golden parachute, and it's been kind of bitter since. Maybe you had mutual friends, and it's like, how awkward is that? And gossip and all that. Come time for citizenship, if she carries that vengeful spirit, even though she will, made out like a bandit in that divorce proceedings, that doesn't preclude anybody from being a little vengeful, particularly if she feels guilty in any way. That's more vengeance tends to come out. She can submit a letter. You can kiss off goodbye citizenship. It even could affect your reapplication for residency. So in other words, it can not only create a huge financial implication, but down the road, it could also alter where you're even going to live the rest of your life. Because if you have issues with visa in citizenship, you're probably going to need to look at option 2. So this isn't the best of topics. It's not the best of topics, but I think it's a very important topic, because some people have an idea they're going to come here, and they do. They come here and they fall in love, and they're living out their second life, and they're living a wonderful life. I know a bunch of people have been married 10, 12, 15 years, expat and Colombian, and a female expat and a Colombiano. I know a bunch of people in this situation who wouldn't even consider divorce because of that traditional thinking. But as this goes down the road and it becomes known what a bonanza this can be, some of those may turn in a different direction. And then what if you're from the United States and then you're living here and you've got your marriage from there and all of that, and you're living here and you run into some hard times? A Colombian divorce is a Colombian divorce. If you're getting it here, it's going to be by those same rules. So it's certainly something to consider. This can really have a negative effect on finding a long-term girlfriend, especially marriage. Absolutely. It absolutely can. What it means is you have to be extra careful. There's nothing in that law about prenuptials, but a legal contract is very respected in Colombia.